Hey babies, it's Layla Denise and welcome to my channel. In this video is going to be a productive video type of thing. So basically I'm going to be doing everything productively. I don't feel like getting up, but I got to do some stuff, so why not make a video of it? So I'm going to make this real quick because I got to get up now. But basically, right now I'm finna go get my nails and feet done, cause you know that's mandatory. And this is how my nail is looking. This one broke, so yeah. Once a nail break, baby, it's time to go get your nails done. Okay, that's what I'm finna do first, and then I'm gonna be going to get my car washed. And yeah, that's what's on the radar right now. So let me get up real quick and I'm gonna hit y'all when I'm up or whatever. I'm gonna just put her up in the bun. A little high. It could really be a ponytail. I don't know how I want to feel about this. I'm not gonna put no edge control on. I'm gonna just put some gel, because I don't have time to make my edges look pretty. Alright, you all, so I think I'm dressed. Oh, I still gotta put a bra on, but I think I'm dressed. This is what I'm gonna just put on real quick with the purse. You know, I gotta have my little purse. I'm about to eat the rest of my Carl's Jr. real quick. I'm about to smash this. The next time y'all see me, I am going to be getting probably my feet done. I don't really record me getting my nails done because it just be a lot. First they want one hand, then they want the other hand, then they want the other hand. Hopefully I'm going to get my car wash after, so. Alright y'all, I am finna, hold on. I'm finna go ahead and go to this nail shop real quick. And let me back out of this garage real quick, y'all. I do not have a car tripod, so this is why I don't record in my car yet while I'm driving. So I really don't know where to put you guys. I feel like my stuff in the ball. Hold on. Okay. Oh, I hope my car don't. I hope my phone don't fall. She parked so bad up in here. My car, bro. Bro, what the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, there we go. Shit, y'all, I thought I didn't know what I was doing, but I knew what I was doing. No fuck. Now I gotta move the trash because the trash is in the way. I put a bra on, y'all, so don't worry. Oh, that's nice. Oh, yes, y'all. I need to get my car washed ASAP. I'm not even finna show y'all until I get to the car wash, because that shit is bad. Yeah, y'all. So, your girl be driving in real life. I just don't have a car tripod, y'all. So I need a car tripod so I could be able to record and talk and do all that stuff the YouTube girlies do. But yeah, y'all, I'm gonna talk to y'all. Y'all gonna see me when I'm at the nail shop, okay? Okay. Yeah, they are so cool.
What? Which one?
Now I'm waiting for my mom to get her nails done.
Checking from my fan like it's fantastic. I was broke as hell, sleeping on the mattress. I feel like a hell when nobody happy. Hot shells jumping out, they send me automatic.
Good morning, you guys. So, I've been up for a minute before I started recording. I've been up for a minute, so that's why y'all see me like this. Because usually, I'm not a mornings person, so yeah. But I've been up for a minute. Had to process for a minute. I'm up now. I done what I needed to do. Right now, I'm in the middle of eating. I'm eating a little sub sandwich thingamajiggy. That's gonna be my breakfast right now because I don't feel like making an extra breakfast. Okay. I will be doing a declutter. I'm gonna be decluttering my room. It looks a mess right now, but I'm gonna show y'all in a minute later on when I'm done eating. But yeah, I'm basically gonna be taking stuff out the dressers, anything that I don't want, anything that's too little for me.
Catch up on the AR, how you did that? Track out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and I will watch you, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? How you yelling slash slash, how I kill a cat, yeah. Hopping around in the two to make back pillows in the back. Too many rounds in the Philly, AK, someone gon' get wet. How you gon' get me when you still on me, how you gon' do that? Snatch a Ruger bag, give a nigga yak attack. I get my shooter whack, meat and cheese and that's the rap. Ain't nighttime but your tango, how you do that shit? Me and Glenn, I'm fuck the same hoe, how you do that bitch? Shit, I catch up on the AR, how you did that? Check out, lift up when you take off, how you did that? You put switches up on your blinkies, how you did that? Your LV back turned to a legit, how you did that? I seen that duck turn to a Louis, how you did that? That look like a brand new booty, how you did that? You got face stones and I will watch it, how you did that? You hear some skeletons in your closet, why you did that? They hit your man, you ain't get no straightening, how you live with that? She fucked the hood, how you lay and have a kid with that? My jello go to a special hook up, yeah, I did that. Kick more shit than judo, and she like.
So y'all, this, you know, this one look like that. It can't even pull out all the way. I'm finna do the rest of that, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all the after. Sorry about my room, but knowing me, it's gonna get clean. All right, you guys, so I'm about to put these clothes in the washing machine, my clothes in the washing machine, because, yeah. So yeah, I put my bonnet on. We looking a little better. And I'm about to just wash these little dishes. Said COVID, is that true? Don't do that. I'm finna eat some cookies and milk. So this the milk we use. We drink almond with a hint of honey. With a hint of honey. Ooh. I don't even like milk straight, but you could drink this milk straight because it do not taste like regular milk. It tastes like caramel milk. Like, it's so flavorful. You're supposed to eat these for breakfast, but I'm gonna eat these right now because I'm craving these right now. But the Velveeta, the cinnamon kind, ba-bomb. I'm about to wind down, watch YouTube, and eat these Velveetas and drink that milk. And that's my little snack for tonight. And I'm finna go to bed. But I guess I could close. I guess I could close this video out, right? I got work tomorrow, so your girl is about to go to bed because it's gonna be a long night. But I don't got work the next day, so I'm good. But my stomach do hurt right now. I'm going through it a little bit, but yeah, y'all. This is literally the end of the video. I hope this video was productive enough. I did not finish the rest of my clothes. Let me actually show you guys. Ooh. This is what she looking like. I'm not finna turn my camera, so it's this drawer. I did this drawer. I did this drawer. I'm not done. And I did this drawer. So I did my sweatpants drawer. I did my, just like, I don't even know what to call this drawer, but it's basically like leggings and my two pieces and stuff like that in here. Basically two-piece outfits. And my one of my shirt drawers. Oh, I did my other shirt drawer. I did this one too. But I got these two drawers to do. I still got some dresses to do. And I still got my closet to do. But it's nothing to it, baby. Because it's going to be done quick. Okay, but I did want to get at least some clips of me doing a little decluttering and stuff. But yeah, y'all, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, y'all, took my shower. It's time for me to wind down, honey. I'll see you guys in my next video. Stay tuned because people are sleeping on me, but they finna wake up, okay? Y'all finna wake up. Y'all finna wake up on this new YouTuber, okay? So yeah, bye you guys. And subscribe, period.